Was diagnosed with lung cancer back in 2011. I started to experience some more hair loss after I went through chemo and radiation. Oh, it's horrible. I mean, you don't think you're going to survive cancer to begin with, and it's a horrible experience. And then on top of that, after you finally become a survivor, then you have to deal with the hair loss.
So when someone's ready and they do not want to remove the hair anymore, they do not want to take it on and off, then they're ready for a permanent attachment.
I realized it wasn't coming back, and I realized I needed something permanent so I can go back to jogging and going back to working out and swimming and doing everything everybody else does and not have to worry about it.
CNC is always my go-to. The CNC actually, it's an Italian product, and it actually means natural scalp. So natural scalp, because the way it's made with a special material that duplicates your scalp. It's an antibacterial, antifungal base, and it lets heat pass through, so it's completely breathable on your scalp. So it's something that can be worn as a permanent attachment with a dermatology tested medical adhesive. So everything that's coming in contact with your skin and scalp, it's not bad for you. And then we get to the hair that is implanted into, hand injected into this antibacterial base. It's all cuticle, virgin, non-processed hair.
I couldn't believe when I first saw it from the back. It actually looked like the back of my head when it wasn't on my head. I was like, wow. I don't know how else to say it. It's just, yeah, I feel more like a woman. I feel like myself again.
It's just so advanced because there isn't anything else out there that has this. It's all the steps that they put into making this piece. It's like first you have the molds that we make, the plaster and the fiberglass mold that gets sent there. Then what happens is their 3D, the printer reads it. It actually goes into the computer, it's 3D. If you want something to duplicate your own natural growing hair, it's a duplicate of that. That's the closest thing I've ever seen to hair growing out of somebody's head.
Well, I finally just said to myself, listen, you survive cancer, what's this gonna do? Just invest in it, and you know, it's gonna make you happy.